Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the next term of the given sequence. And we have given the sequence here: 17, 88, 159, 230, 301, 372, 443. Okay. Now here 88 minus 17 is 71, means the difference between 17 and 88 is 71. Similarly, the difference between 159 and 88 is 71. Okay? That is, if we add 71 to 17, we will get 88. So the next term here, after adding 71 to 88, we will get 159. Then 159 plus 71, we will get 230. 230 plus 71 is 301. Then 301 plus 71 is 372. 372 plus 71 is 443. So the next term, to get next term, we need to add 71 to that 443. So it is 514. Hence, the sequence be like here the sequence be like 17, 88, 159, 230, 301, 372, 443, and the next term be 514. So our correct option is option B, which is 514.